Hello friends. From this video you will learn how to process cucumbers in order to increase their yield by 2 times. Especially if these are cucumbers that grow on the street pollinated by bees. This top dressing will help to further improve the pollination of cucumbers. And this dressing also strengthens the stems, promotes the growth of leaves, and is useful for the root system. And more after its application, the taste of the fruit improves. Feeding is very cheap and available. You can buy it in pharmacies and garden stores. I'm talking about boric acid. But it must be used strictly according to the instructions, so as not to harm the plants and yourself. And I even reduce the dosage from the one that is written on the package. I bought this boric acid in a garden store in 20 grams, and I live in Ukraine. It costs us about $1. Now I will briefly tell you when and how to apply it. The following dosages are indicated on the package. You need to dissolve 10 grams in 10 quarts of water, and as I said, I reduce it by half, namely 5 grams per 10 quarts of water. This is approximately 1 teaspoon without a slide. What else you should know when using boric acid? Firstly, boric acid is not diluted in warm or cold water. Only boiling water is needed. Pour boiling water into a glass and dissolve 5 grams of boric acid. Then pour this cocktail into 10 quarts of water. If you immediately add boric acid to cold water, then the crystals will not dissolve and you will get burns on the plants, which will have a bad effect on the future harvest and plant development. You should also remember that 1 treatment per season will be enough for your plants. No need to use it more often. For example, on cucumbers, I do the first and only treatment at the moment when the plant has already grown to a height of about a meter. And small cucumbers formed in the lower sinuses, as you see on your screen. And if you do not listen to me and overdose, for example, think that if you add more boron, then your cucumbers will become even stronger and better, then you are mistaken. In case of an overdose, yellowing of the leaves will appear, which may still be accompanied by necrosis, tissue death, and in case of an overdose, the fruits can become dangerous to your health. Therefore, do not neglect the overdose of both this top dressing and other fertilizers that you apply. An overdose always entails bad consequences both for your plants and for your body. It's not just bore, but if you do everything according to the instructions, then you will receive only a rich and healthy harvest. Now you know everything about the use of boric acid on cucumbers, and you can safely do it if you want to increase the yield and taste of your cucumbers. If the information was useful to you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. I wish you a good day, and see you for new videos.